Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you how to get face tracking on mobile. As you can see, my avatar is talking and its face is animating with my voice, and as you can see also there is also a face cam on game. So how can you get this face tracking on your mobile, Roblox mobile? So let's start. So first of all, come out of this game, may exit of this game. Now, if you want to get this face tracking, what you need to do, first of all, you have to go to three dot, and now you have to click on this setting. Now in setting, guys, you have to click on privacy. In privacy, you have to scroll down and make sure that this microphone input is enabled. So if this option is not visible on your privacy section, then guys, you have to verify your age. You have to verify your age by uploading your government issued ID and by taking selfie in the account info. So you have to go to into account info and verify your age. Once you verify your age, this option, microphone option, will be automatically appear in this privacy. Once you enable this privacy option, guys, once you enable this microphone input from the privacy, you don't need to do anything else. You just need to go back to here, and now you have to click on this avatar option. Click on it and just click on, tap on customize, and in customize click on head, and in head you have to choose a style. This, you can see this style option, and in from style, guys, you have to install, or you have to select this face animation. So this face animation, you can get this this good looks by name good looks. You can search for it and it is completely free. You don't have to spend any single Robux for it, but you can get more face animations like these at the bottom, and you can see, but it is come for some Robux. So if you want free, then you can try this out, the first one that I have selected, and you can see the my face is animated. And once you select this one, then your face tracking will start working. And once you enable the microphone input and select this style from the head and body, once you select, just go back to the game where the microphone and camera is supported. So just choose the game that supports microphone and the camera. Like if you go to please donate, and if you scroll down, it says that in communication, microphone and camera is supported. Fine. So it means that your face tracking will work in this game. So just open this game. Now you have to tap on this Roblox icon at the at the top left, and just tap on microphone and the face cam to enable it. Once you enable, just let me show you the face of my avatar, or you, as you can see in the, yeah. Yeah, hello. Yeah, you can see that it is synchronizing with my voice. Hello, 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 hello. So I was mirroring on my laptop. So let me do that again. As you can see that my avatar is an face man. My avatar is tracking its face with my voice, And so that's how it works. Hope on your mobile. Hope you like it. If you have doubt, you can ask in comment section. Till then, bye bye.